Today, I baked the bread without yeast, and using the wet ingredients, I used the last bit of water that was in here. It's a water vinegar mixture, also some small jalapenos. So yeah, my jalapeno is now gone. Here's the photos of how the process went. And as I always say, it's only the taste, but with bread, it's not just the taste, also the texture makes a big difference. So here goes. Not bad, but not great either. Tastes a bit like grass, to be honest, but it's nice. I rate this jalapeno watery bread a 7.6 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all till next time.